everybody. Happy Monday. How are you? Yes, I survived the birthday weekend. Actually, my birthday's tomorrow, so I'm doing this really quick. But you're going to see a little highlight reel of the last 2 days, and oh, boy, it was something else. So special thanks to Rob for everything he did on making my birthday great. A lot of wine was had, just to let you know. But we did all sorts of things, and I didn't know anything he was planning. I think maybe I got a couple of things right, but overall it was really well planned out, and it was great. So, and we do this every year to each other's birthdays, so it was great. And special thanks to my friend Bill. My friend Bill was so generous. He gave me some new glasses, a book about wine, in a wine carrier with wine in it. I know it sounds like a really boozy, doesn't it? So anyway, that was yesterday, but we watched the Super Bowl, and I seriously, about like right after halftime, I was just exhausted, so I left, and then I watched the rest of the game when I came home. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day. You're going to see the highlight reel right when I get done talking here. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm going to try to come on tomorrow just to say, hey, I'm getting a little bit older tomorrow, one more year around the globe, and I'm grateful for every minute of it, and I can follow my legacy of speaking and doing LGBTQ plus work and everything else. So all of you out there that have supported me and known me through the years, thank you so much. Heartfelt thanks. I'm getting out. It's another sunny day, but I got to exercise and just get out. I didn't do a very good job exercising yesterday. I want to give you some steps in, but not as many as I should. All right, so here you go. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Have a good one. Have a great Monday. And I'll check in with you tomorrow, but enjoy the highlight reel of the birthday shenanigans. And be kind, wonderful, love one another, and make our planet a whole lot better. And I'll see you tomorrow. All right? Happy birthday to me. Bye.